Welcome back to MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something that is turning heads all over the internet, the 2026 BMW luxury motorhome concept. This is not your average camper van. This is BMW taking everything we love about their sports cars and blending it with a full-size motorhome, and the result looks like nothing else on the road. Let us start with the exterior. From the front, this thing looks like a supercar that decided to grow up into a house on wheels. The nose is sharp and aggressive, with LED headlights shaped in a way that echoes the classic BMW kidney grille. The body is finished in a glossy pearl white with gloss black accents running along the lower skirting. It gives the whole vehicle a very clean and premium look. The BMW roundel sits proudly on the front, and honestly it looks right at home there. Move around to the side profile and you will notice the long sculpted body with a panoramic glass section running along the roof. This is not just for looks. That glass lets in natural light throughout the cabin and gives passengers an open airy feeling that most motorhomes simply do not have. The stance is low and wide, which is unusual for a vehicle this size, and it is sitting on massive black split-spoke alloy wheels that would not look out of place on a high-performance sedan. Now the rear. The back end continues that same design language, with slim wraparound LED taillights and a smooth sculpted tailgate area. There is an integrated rear hatch for storage and utility access, and the two-tone paint job continues around the back beautifully. Every angle of this vehicle feels intentional. Nothing here looks like an afterthought. Let us step inside, because this is where things get really interesting. The dashboard is dominated by a curved wraparound digital display that spans almost the entire width of the cabin. It is paired with tan leather and brushed aluminum trim, giving it that familiar BMW cockpit feel but scaled up for a motorhome. The panoramic windshield gives the driver an incredible view of the road ahead, and the ambient blue lighting at night makes the whole cabin feel like something out of a science fiction film. Moving further back, you step into the lounge area. There is a leather sofa with detailed stitching, wood and metal accents throughout, and large side windows that flood the space with natural light. LED strip lighting runs along the ceiling for that ambient touch in the evenings, and there is a small folding table for meals or work. The kitchen is compact but clearly designed with real use in mind. You get matte black countertops, an induction cooktop, a hidden sink with a foldable faucet, and soft close cabinetry finished in brushed aluminum and walnut wood. There is even a small integrated refrigerator tucked into the design, and a window right above the counter so you can enjoy the view while cooking. Then there is the bedroom, which might be the most surprising part of this whole vehicle. It features a plush upholstered platform bed with a leather headboard, warm ambient lighting, and wood-paneled walls that make the whole space feel like a boutique hotel room rather than the back of a camper. There is even a skylight panel above the bed so you can fall asleep looking up at the stars. Now let us talk performance, because this is still a BMW at its core. While official specifications for the production version have not been fully confirmed, the concept suggests a hybrid or electric drivetrain designed to balance power with efficiency, which makes sense for something this size. The low stance and wide wheelbase suggest BMW engineered this for stability on the road, something that is often missing in traditional motorhomes. Given BMW's track record with performance vehicles, expect this to drive far more like a car than a bus, with tighter handling and a smoother ride than anything else in this category. As for pricing, BMW has not released official numbers yet since this is still very much a concept vehicle. Based on the materials, technology, and overall design language on display here, industry watchers are expecting this to land in the ultra-luxury segment, likely competing with high-end motorhomes and coach-built campers that can run well into six figures. This is clearly being positioned as a status symbol as much as a functional vehicle. So that is the 2026 BMW luxury motorhome concept in full. It is bold, it is unlike anything currently on the market, and it shows what happens when a performance car brand decides to reimagine what a motorhome can look like. Let me know in the comments what you think of this design, and whether you would want to see BMW actually bring this into production. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next review.